So guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to search in conversation on your group chats on your account on Messenger, easy and quick. First click on your group or click here, and now here you will find search in conversation. Click on it. Here as you see you can search any message or any message you want, or any files or any link, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.